Buying your dream watch after spending a fortune on it is just the half battle won. The main part is to maintain it so that it stays brand new for years to come. All watches out there require some maintenance in order to keep them ticking and look as good as they were just taken out of the box. However, some watches need more care than the others, especially automatic and manual luxury watches. So if you have purchased a high-end luxury watch, then this video is for you. Well, this is the most obvious way to keep good care of your watch. Just keep it clean. It's that simple. But you should be careful while wiping off the dust from your expensive timepiece. Don't use an ordinary cloth that may leave a scratch on the glass or strap of the watch. Make sure you use a cotton or a microfiber cloth to clean the dirt off your watch. You can also wash your watch to get rid of that extra dirt, but make sure your watch is capable of that. When you are not wearing your watch, it needs to be properly stored in order to keep it safe and secure. You get a watch box when you buy a new watch, right? You can use that to store your watch. You can also buy third-party watch boxes that are more secure and also aesthetically appealing that allow you to put your luxury watch on display. Also, if you are a watch collector who has multiple luxury watches, then you can buy a watch box with multiple storage compartments that help you keep all your watches in the same place. Likewise, if you own an automatic watch, then you can buy watch winder boxes that work as a regular watch storage box but also keep your watch winding, ensuring its long life. I have listed some of the best box winders on our site Wearholic. I will leave the link for that in the description below. Plus, I have written a blog sharing the same tips to maintain your watch. You will find the link for that there as well. Like our cars and bikes, watches also need regular servicing so that they keep working at their optimum level. You should take your watch for a service at the authorized service center for your watch every 3 to 5 years. In service, they would lubricate the inner machinery, replace failed components, and polish your watch, making it work and look like a brand new watch. If you don't service your watch regularly, it may have a short life. The magnetic field that originates from a magnet can be harmful to your expensive watch as it can affect its accuracy and in the long run may also completely stop it. So if you want the long life of your watch, you should keep it away from magnets. Also, if your watch is already magnetized, don't panic. Take it to the service center. They have special tools which can demagnetize the watch in no time. If you want to maintain your watch, you should never open it because without proper tools and knowledge of watchmaking, you can damage your watch. Make sure you take your watch to a skilled watchmaker in case you find your watch is not working, but you should never open it on your own. It is necessary to keep your watch clean, which I have already made clear at the starting of this video. However, to remove the dirt and dust, you should never use chemicals and detergents on your watch. The chemicals in the detergent can react with the metal of your watch and ruin it. Moreover, when water is mixed with detergent, it has the ability to seep into your watch, which can damage it from the inside. Different watches have different water resistant ratings which tell you how well the watch can survive in water. You must know about your watch's water resistance ratings before testing it out in the water. If you don't want to damage your expensive luxury watch, you must know about its water handling capabilities, which you can easily tell by looking at its water resistant ratings. So guys, those was the 7 tips that I recommend to maintain your watch and keep it in tip-top condition. If you have any tips of your own, then don't forget to share them with us in the comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you found the video useful. With that, it's time to say goodbye. See you next time.